Welcome to another Arduino tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how to use addressable LEDs. This LED strip is made by WS2812B LEDs wired in series. These LEDs have an IC built right into the LEDs. This allows a communication via a one-wire interface. Means that you can control lots of LEDs using just one digital pin of your Arduino. The LEDs strip should be powered using a 5-volt power source. At 5 volt each LED draws about 50 to 60 milliampere when set to its full brightness. Red, green, and blue LEDs draws around 20 milliampere current each. So for every 30 LEDs, the strip may draw as much as 1.5 ampere. Make sure you select a power source that matches the strip's needs. Each LED has 3 connectors at its both ends, 2 for the powering and 1 for the data. The arrow indicates the data flow direction. The data output pad of the previous LED that is D out is connected to the data input pad of the next LED that is D in. We can cut the strip to any size we want, as well as distance. The D in and D out pins are where the magic happens. Data bits representing RGB brightness are fed serially into the D in pin and the chip strips out the first 24 bits, that is 8 bits each for RGB, and sends the remaining bits to the D out pin. By connecting the LEDs in a string with the D out from one LEDs going to the D in of the next LEDs, each LEDs in turn strips off the bits it needs from the front of the data stream, and sends the rest of the data stream out to the next LEDs. Theoretically there's no limit to the number of LEDs you can drive with a single data line. The only limitation is that the time it takes to update all the LEDs in the string increases linearly with the number of LEDs in the string. This makes for a very clever and efficient scheme for addressing unique RGB data to any number of LEDs wired in a string. Tips for using WS2812B LEDs strip. First, add a 300 ohm resistor between the Arduino digital output pin and the strip data input pin to reduce noise on that line. Second, connect a capacitor with a capacitance between 100 microfarad and 1000 microfarad from power to ground to smooth out the power supply. Third, if your strip gets damaged and doesn't work, check if the LEDs. If one of the LEDs is damaged, then cut it and remove that LEDs. To control the WS2812B LEDs strips, you will need to download the Fast LEDs library. Link is given in the descriptions. First, download the library as a zip, which is done by clicking the green clone or download button and then clicking download zip. Once downloaded, go to the Arduino IDE and click Sketch menu option, then include library and then add .zip library. Choose the zip file you just downloaded, and if the library install correct, you will see library added to your libraries in the notice window. That's it.